Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall the pre-installed apps in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Any Windows you have. It doesn't really matter because you can even do this in a Windows 8 or 7. So, the pre-installed apps are the ones that come in, the default apps or softwares that come bundled with the operating system, okay? They can cover various functions, but if you want to remove them for any reason, maybe they're not useful to you, you never use them, you can do that. Don't worry about it, okay? So all you do is go to your settings. Okay, you go to your start menu. Okay, look, if your app is right here, let's say come here, click on search. Okay, I'm going to click on search, and then I'm going to see a bunch of different apps that I have right here. And then I will show you how we can uninstall them right through here, right to the start menu. Okay, once this loads up, let's say I want to remove Microsoft Edge. All you do is right click this, right click Microsoft Edge, and we should see a bunch of different options. We can open a file location, and then we can uninstall it through there, right? But I want to show you how to access all the apps. Okay, come here, click on apps and features. Okay, just right click start and select on apps and features. Okay, guys, now this is loading up. Okay, this is loading up. Now we're going to see a bunch of different apps that we have. We have the apps and features here, and we have the default apps right here, guys. The default apps. So you can click on the default apps, which are all the apps here, the default ones. And if you want to remove them, okay, click on the default apps. I'm going to wait for the system to load up all the different apps I have, as I have a bunch of many apps. So if you want to uninstall, let's say Maps, all you have to do is, guys, click on that, and then you can right click it, and it will give you the option to uninstall or pin to your start. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below your thoughts. And of course, guys, as always,